Hey beautiful soul, let me introduce you to the stunning Ashlyn. This design is by Patricia Liefeld, and she named it after her granddaughter Ashlyn, which I love so much. It's a really beautiful customizable design that you can turn into a cute little top or even a lovely cardigan. Ashlyn is such a joy to knit, and it's very versatile, so you can really make it your own and have a beautiful custom piece for your wardrobe. At first glance, Ashlyn is so enchanting with its gorgeous mix of textures. You're gonna find this beautiful lace flowing across the design, and between that you've got some scrumptious garter stitch, which gives a little bit of calm, a little bit of structure to the pattern. This piece is edged with a 3-stitch I-cord border, so it gives just a nice round little edge to your project, giving it that smooth professional finish. Speaking of that beautiful I-cord edge, I wanted to show you a few rows of the sleeves just so you can see how that starts to take shape. So I've gone ahead and just cast on a few stitches, and I'm going to start with row 1. Now you're going to see in the pattern it'll say with yarn in back, slip 1. So yarn is in the back, go ahead and slip your stitch, and then with yarn in front, slip 1. So you need to swing it around to the front, go ahead and slip that next stitch, yarn to the back to knit 1. Now we're going to place a stitch marker, so use one that you love, and then you're going to knit to the last 3 stitches, and you'll have a lot more stitches than this, of course. Go ahead and place another stitch marker, and we're going to knit 1. Then yarn to the front, slip 1, and then purl 1. And that's row 1. For row 2, we're going to have our yarn in back, and we're going to slip the first stitch. We're going to knit 1. And then we're going to bring our yarn to the front to slip 1. Then go ahead and slip your stitch marker and knit across to your marker. Then you'll slip your stitch marker, of course. Bring your yarn to the front, slip a stitch, yarn to the back, knit it, yarn to the front, purl 1. For rows 3 and 4, you just repeat rows 1 and 2, so I've gone ahead and done that. Now we're going to move into row 5. With our yarn in the back, we're going to slip 1, and then yarn to the front, slip 1, yarn to the back to knit 1, then go ahead and slip your stitch marker, and you're going to purl 1, and then yarn over and purl 2 together. And you're going to continue repeating that all the way across. Yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together. So I don't have the right number of stitches, of course, so let me just purl this stitch so we can get over to this edge. When you get to the other end, you slip your stitch marker, you go ahead and knit 1, and then with yarn in front, slip 1, and then purl 1. For row 6, you're going to repeat row 2, and for row 7, you're going to repeat row 1. I've gone ahead and done that, and I just wanted to show you this beautiful little edge. You can already see that I-cord taking shape, and it just looks gorgeous all the way around. Both the top and the cardigan versions of this pattern used our luxurious Expression Fiber Arts yarn. For the top, we used our Oasis Camel Silk Fingering in color Captain. This is lightweight, it's breathable, and it has a little bit of a shimmer to it and a beautiful drape, so it's wonderful for tops like this. For the cardigan version, we used our Cash Silk Sock yarn in color Black Tulip, which is a beautiful moody plum color that just pairs so beautifully with that romantic lace. And it's nice and soft and smooth, and it has a little bit of a subtle glow to it. I am going to be giving away all of these skeins today, so if you would love to enter, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment the word lace below. And as much as I love the colors and the beautiful yarns that we used and all the gorgeous lace and the textures in this design, what really sets this pattern apart is how it's constructed and how customizable it is. Instead of starting from the top down or the bottom up like a lot of sweaters are constructed, you're actually going to start with the sleeves, which are worked lengthwise. This gives you the opportunity to create that perfect fit across the upper body and the shoulders, which which can often be a tricky area to size correctly. And once you finish the sleeves, you're gonna pick up stitches along their edges to build the body of the top. And here's where the magic happens. Since the sleeves and the body are worked separately, you're free to mix and match sizes. The result is a garment that hugs you in the right places, it moves with you, and it really reflects your own sense of style and how you want a garment to fit, not the way a standard pattern might be designed. Let's talk a little bit more about the customization option. For the top version, you can actually adjust the circumference of the body depending on where you pick up your stitches along the sleeves. And the cool thing is, as long as you keep the stitch multiples correct and there are instructions in the pattern for you, you could make the body an A-line shape if you want to do some increases, or if your measurements stay the same, you can make it straight. So totally just design it how you feel comfortable. The cardigan version offers similar flexibility. Its body circumference can also be adjusted by your pickup placement. This level of customization ensures that you get to design a beautiful top that not only suits your style, but also your size. So whether you want to do sleek and fitted, or you like a little bit more relaxed and flowing, totally up to you, and you get to choose. Oh, and I did want to mention that the pattern includes full sizing details, so make sure you take accurate measurements and reference the size chart before you begin. And I did want to mention that in the pattern, you're going to find that the lace stitches have both the chart and the written form, so you get to choose whichever you prefer. In the end, Ashlyn is a beautiful design that is a wonderful reminder for us to pause, to create, and to bring something meaningful into the world. It's about honoring your body, your creativity, and the joy of making something yourself. You can find the full pattern and the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. While you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. Thank you so much for being here today, my beautiful friend, for sharing your time, for sharing your heart, and pouring love into every stitch. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you next week with another new pattern. Bye!